group anagram. So if you have done our valid anagram questions, then it's going to be very easy for you. We have given an input of strings. We have to return them by grouping if they are anagrams. Look at the inputs and output. This is how you have to write a program which can do this. And they have mentioned that it only contains the lowercase English letter. So let's learn from the animations. So we have our input like that. We have not iterated it right now. So for people who don't know what anagrams are, we can say two strings are anagram if they have same characters in the same frequencies. We can create. So idea here is what we have done over there. You can absolutely apply that function. You can bring here check valid anagram. But for these questions, we can use sorting actually and make a canonical key for each string. Either we can sort or we can do the counting by character or array of 26 indices where we can update the frequency. Both are doable. So previously we have done by counting. Now in these questions we will do it by a sorting. So that we have covered pretty much everything. What you have to do is initialize an hash map to store the answers, and every time you take a string you do sort of it. So that's how we are going to do the canonical mapping. You sort it and then you check if this canonical key is present in our hash set or not. So since this is not present, so we are going to add that key, and then we can since for this key we don't have we have not found anything, we can clearly move ahead, and then same thing we are going to try to make a canonical key. So now it exists. So this time we are going to append this into one of its answers. So if you can see, AET has grouped EAT, TET, and ATE. So now 10 is a different one. It's going to contain 10 and nat. So same way it's going to, we can iterate over all of the array, and that's how you are going to find your answer. So the very easy way we were able to do it. The code is also simple. You just need to see it once. We have initialized our answer. It's an empty for the string array. First thing is create the canonical canonical key. So let's do this. For every string we are going to let's join them. First, if you are going to use the sorting, then it's going to create an iterable sorted s, then we can recreate this as a key, and we can just check if key not in answer. So initially it won't be there. So in that case we can make this as an empty array. If you are using a default dict and using as the list, then you might not have to do this step. If that's not the case, dot key dot a append that key, And this prepares a dictionary. We have to return the list. Return the list of values, and this is going to return all of our arrays. If you can see, we were able to return the answer. Pretty much very easy solution. Let's try to submit it and see if there's any issue with that. Perfect. Thank you very much. Enjoyed this problem? There are hundreds more completely free, no login needed. Head over to codedive.n and start solving today.